Historically, the terms sex and gender have been used interchangeably, but their uses are becoming increasingly distinct, and it is important to understand the differences between the two. In general terms, sex refers to the biological differences between males and females, such as the genitalia and genetic differences. Gender is more difficult to define, but it can refer to the role of a male or female in society, known as the gender role, or an individual's concept of themselves, or gender identity. The differences between male and female sexes are anatomical and physiological. Sex tends to relate to biological differences. For instance, male and female genitalia, both internal and external, are different. Similarly, the levels and types of hormones present in male and female bodies are different. Genetic factors define the sex-trusted source of an individual. Women have 46 chromosomes including 2 X's and men have 46 including an X and a Y. Transgender people have a gender identity or gender expression that differs from the sex that they were assigned at birth. Some transgender who desire medical assistance to transition from one sex to another identify as transsexual. Transgender people may identify as heterosexual, homosexual, bisexual, asexual, or may decline to label their sexual orientation. The term transgender is also distinguished from intersex, a term that describes people born with physical sex characteristics that do not fit typical binary notions of male or female bodies. Heterosexual. People who are heterosexual are romantically and physically attracted to members of the opposite sex. Homosexual. People who are homosexual are romantically and physically attracted to people of the same sex. Females who are attracted to other females are lesbian. Males who are attracted to other males are often known as gay. Asexuality is the lack of sexual attraction to others, or low or absent interest in or desire for sexual activity. 1, 2, 3. It may be considered a sexual orientation or the lack thereof. It may also be categorized more widely to include a broad spectrum of asexual sub-identities.